Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is our affiliate tips course. Build your business around existing traffic. Now, a lot of online businesses will fail. I'm talking over 90% fail. And if that wasn't bad enough, most of them fail on day one. The main reason for this is they don't build their business around existing demand. Now, online traffic isn't that different to real traffic. It's made up of real people with real needs looking for real solutions. Unfortunately, if you build your business around a hot idea that you have, something you've come up with, then you're doing it wrong. It's much better, at least at the beginning, to look for existing demand. Then build a product or a service around it and tap into that existing source. That's how to build your business to succeed on day one. And here's how you do it. First of all, you need to find high traffic platforms. This isn't hard to do, they're everywhere. You can start with the obvious places like Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, that sort of thing. Inside of these platforms are areas where people get together to talk about their specific interests. For example, dog lovers have got so many different Facebook pages and Facebook groups that it's unbelievable, and they can choose from all of these. People that are interested in applying to college may have certain hashtags that they use on things like Twitter when they're looking for information about how to apply. You need to find these different things within the high traffic platforms and then drill down and use them. People are already using all these things like hashtags and Facebook pages, Facebook groups. You just need to go there. Pay close attention to how loyal these people are. Do they post a lot of comments? Do they share a lot of content? How engaged are they? You should pay attention to whether people share commercial messages too. By this I mean members posting ads into the group or posting things that offer services, because you don't want to waste your time on Facebook groups that are just totally made up of ads, because chances are they're just a spam fest and you're not going to get any decent business from them. But if you notice that there's genuine users, people that are passionate about this, mixing in offers for services and things in with their messages, you're in the right place. Next thing is to be clear on the problem that you think most of these people have. Now, this can take some time to get right because you need to invest time and effort in finding these problems. You could get someone to do it for you, maybe get someone on Fiverr to do some research, save you a bit of time, but cost you a bit of money. It depends whether you've got more time than money or a bit of both. However you do it, you should hang out at the places that all these people have in common and find out what their problems are. Next, you need to find affiliate programs that address the problem of that intended audience. When you go to places like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JBZ, there are many affiliate products available that solve a wide range of problems. You should look at these products and your competitors and look at what they're doing. See how they message your intended audience and be inspired by what they're doing. And when I say inspired, I mean inspired. We're not talking about copying and pasting what they're doing. That's a big no-no. But what we can do is use theirs as a way to inspire us to do something similar. And then we can do that to push our own set of affiliate products. And finally, use a content-based sales funnel to sell using a list. By this, I mean you go to the places we've mentioned, like Facebook and Twitter, and you share links to content that solves some of the problems those audience members have. Now, they read this content, they see you know your stuff, and they start to trust your content. Then they can dig deeper into your website so they can join your mailing list. And from there, you can sell them directly on affiliate offers. Bro.